Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I am happy you are here today. Today is a new lesson. Today's episode is about my English goals. This lesson is for beginner learners. Beginner learners are people who are starting to learn English and who want to understand English better. I will use easy words and short sentences. I will speak slowly. I will give time for you to listen and to learn. You can pause the video and repeat. You can write down words. You can say the words out loud. This lesson is simple and clear. I will use simple sentences and simple grammar. Today I will talk about how to make goals for English. I will show why goals are useful. I will show small steps that you can take. I will give an example monologue. The example will be long so you can hear many simple sentences. You can listen and repeat the example. The example will help you know what to say when you speak about your English goals. Now I will give an example of how you should talk about your English goals. Listen and repeat. You can stop and listen again. You can say the words after me. The next part is an example monologue. I will speak as if I am a student. I will say my name and my goals and my plan. I will tell why I learn English. I will tell what I will do every week. I will say small steps and long-term goals. I will use simple words and short sentences. Listen and repeat when you are ready. Hello. My name is Ben. I am a learner of English. I am from the United States. I live in a city that is small. I like to learn new words. I like to speak with other people. I want to be better in English. I have some goals for English. My first goal is to speak English with more confidence. Speaking with confidence means I do not feel very nervous. I may feel a little shy. That is okay. I will practice and feel better. My second goal is to understand simple conversations. I want to listen and know the main idea. I want to answer questions. My third goal is to read easy books and short texts. I want to read signs and short stories. I want to learn words that I see every day. My fourth goal is to write short messages and notes. I want to write a short email or a simple text message. I have a long-term goal and some short-term goals. A long-term goal is a goal that takes a long time. My long-term goal is to speak English in daily life. I want to use English at work or when I travel. I want to watch movies in English and understand the story. I want to make friends who speak English. This is a big goal. I will work on this goal step by step. My short-term goals are small and clear. A short-term goal is a goal I can do in a short time. My first short-term goal is to learn 10 new words each week. I will learn simple words like name, family, work, food, friend, book, time, day, week, and listen. I will practice these words by using them in a sentence. I will make one sentence for each new word. My second short-term goal is to practice speaking for 10 minutes every day. 10 minutes is a small time. I can find 10 minutes in my day. I can speak to myself. I can speak with a friend. I can use a short video and repeat the sentences. My third short-term goal is to listen to a short audio or a short podcast 3 times a week. I will listen slowly the first time. I will listen again and try to say some words. I will write 5 words that I hear. My fourth short-term goal is to read 1 short paragraph every day. I will read slow and look for new words. I will say the new words and make a sentence with each word. I also have a weekly plan. A weekly plan helps me stay on track. On Monday I will learn new words. I will write 10 new words and make sentences. On Tuesday I will practice speaking. I will speak for 10 minutes and record my voice. On Wednesday I will listen to a short audio. I will listen 2 times and write down new words. On Thursday I will read a short story or a paragraph. I will say the words that I do not know. I will look up 1 or 2 words in the dictionary. On Friday I will review the words and sentences from the week. I will test myself and say the words without looking. On Saturday I will have a longer speaking practice. I will speak for 20 minutes. I will talk about my week in English. On Sunday I will rest and I will do a light review. I will look at my notes and say 5 sentences. This plan is simple and it is not too hard. I can follow this plan each week. I will use small steps. Small steps are easy to do. Small steps help me keep moving forward. Small steps help me feel good. For example, I will learn one new verb each day. I will make a sentence with this verb. I will use the verb in the present tense. I will use the verb in a question and in a negative sentence. I will say the verb many times. I will listen to how the verb sounds. I will use simple study tools. I will use a notebook and a pen. I will write new words in my notebook. I will write one sentence for each new word. I will use flashcards for 10 words. I will use my phone to record my voice. I will listen to myself and make small changes. I will use a dictionary app to find meanings. I will use a translator only when I need help. I will try to find the meaning in English first. I will watch videos with subtitles in English. I will try to read the subtitles and listen at the same time. I will set small exams for myself. A small exam can be simple. I will ask a friend to speak with me for 5 minutes. I will record the conversation. I will listen and check my mistakes. I will write 3 sentences about my mistakes and how I can fix them. I will also write 3 things that I did well. It is important to see progress. I will celebrate small wins. I will keep a progress log. A progress log is a simple note of what I did. Each day I will write 1 line. I will write the date and 1 sentence. For example, I will write, today I learned 10 words. I spoke for 10 minutes. I listened to a short story. This log will help me see how I improve. When I look back at my log after 1 month, I will see many days of work. This will make me feel proud. I will also set a goal for pronunciation. Pronunciation is the way we say words. My goal is to say words clearly. I will practice sounds that are hard for me. I will choose 3 sounds to work on for 1 month. I will find exercises for these sounds. I will speak slowly and focus on each sound. I will also copy a native speaker. I will listen and repeat. I will watch the shape of the mouth in videos. I will say the words after the speaker. I will use simple grammar goals. Grammar is rules for words in a sentence. My grammar goal is to be correct in simple sentences. I will learn how to make a simple present sentence. I will learn how to make a past sentence. I will learn how to make a question. I will practice 1 grammar point for 1 week. I will make 10 sentences with a grammar point. I will speak the sentences. I will write the sentences in my notebook. I will find a speaking partner. A speaking partner is a person who wants to practice with me. We can speak 1 time each week. We can speak for 30 minutes. We will talk about simple topics like family, food, hobbies, and travel. We will ask and answer questions. We will help each other. If I do not have a partner, I will use an online language group. I will join a group that is friendly and patient. I will not be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is part of learning. I will also use simple study times. I will choose a time in the day when I have energy. I will study in the morning or in the evening. I will choose 1 time and keep it each day. This helps me build a habit. A habit is a repeated action. A habit makes learning easier. I will make my goals clear and real. A real goal is specific. For example, I will say, I will learn 40 new words this month. I will say, I will speak for 10 minutes every day. I will say, I will finish 1 short book in 2 months. These goals are clear and real. I can measure them. I can see if I succeed. I will have a reward plan. A reward is a small gift for work done. If I learn all my words for the week, I will watch a short movie. If I speak every day for a month, I will buy a small book in English. Rewards keep me motivated. They make learning fun. I will be kind to myself. Learning a language is not a race. Some days are good. Some days are slow. I will accept slow days. I will rest when I need rest. I will try again tomorrow. I will remember that practice each day is more important than speed. I will track my mistakes and my good points. I will write a list of common mistakes. I will write how to fix them. For example, I may write, I used the wrong verb form. I will learn one rule to fix this mistake. I will practice the rule with 5 sentences. I will also write 3 things I do well. For example, I speak with a clear voice, I use correct words for time, and I understand short conversations. I will use simple topics to practice. I will choose topics like family, work, food, travel, hobbies, weather, and daily routine. For each topic I will learn 10 words. I will make 5 sentences. I will speak about the topic for 2 minutes. I will record my voice and listen. I will make small corrections. I will set goals for listening. I will listen to English for 20 minutes a day. I will use slow audio for beginners at first. I will listen to short stories and songs. I will try to write the main idea of the audio. I will try to catch 5 words that I know. I will not try to understand every word. I will focus on the main idea and on a few new words. I will set goals for reading. I will read simple texts. I will start with short articles or short stories. I will read 1 paragraph and find 2 new words. I will write the meaning of these words in simple English. I will read the paragraph again later that day. I will try to read with natural speed after a few tries. I will set goals for writing. I will write short sentences about my day. I will write a simple diary. I will write 3 sentences every day. For example, I will write, today I woke up at 7. I ate rice and eggs. I walked in the park. I will try to use new words in my diary. I will ask a friend or a teacher to check 1 sentence each week. I will set goals for vocabulary. I will learn words in groups. I will learn words for food on one day. I will learn words for travel on another day. I will learn words for work on a third day. I will use pictures to learn new words. I will put a picture on a flashcard and write the word. I will look at the cards every day for a few minutes. I will set practice goals for speaking in public. I will prepare a short talk for 2 minutes. I will choose a simple topic. I will write 5 sentences and practice them. I will say the talk to a friend or to my phone. I will try to do this 1 time each month. When I do this, I will feel more confident to speak in front of people. I will be patient with my learning. Some goals take time. I will give myself months to see change. I will check my progress each month. I will ask 1 question. Am I better than last month? If the answer is yes, I will keep going. If the answer is no, I will change 1 small thing in my plan. I will use simple feedback. Feedback is help from other people. I will ask a friend or teacher to tell me 1 thing I do right and 1 thing to improve. I will listen and thank them. I will work on the 1 thing. I will not feel bad about hearing a mistake. Feedback helps me improve faster. I will celebrate small wins. When I finish my weekly plan, I will feel proud. When I speak better, I will feel good. I will say I did it. I will smile and keep going. This will help me stay happy with learning. I will remember my reasons to learn English. I will write my reasons and put them where I can see them. My reasons are simple. I want to speak with people. I want to travel. I want a better job. I want to watch movies and understand them. I will read my reasons when I feel tired. My reasons will bring me back to work. I will use technology to help me. I will use apps for vocabulary. I will use apps for listening. I will set reminders on my phone to study. I will use a timer for my 10-minute practice. I will not use my phone for too many things while I study. I will keep study time simple and calm. I will make realistic timelines. For example, I will set a 3-month timeline for a skill. After 3 months, I will see if I can speak for 2 minutes without many pauses. I will test this skill with a friend. If I can do it, I will set a new goal for 3 more months. I will think in English a little every day. I will say short thoughts in English. I will name objects in my home. I will say the time in English. I will describe what I do in one sentence. This small habit helps my brain use English more. I will use simple daily phrases. I will learn these phrases and use them. For example, I will learn these sentences. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is Ben. Where do you live? I live in the city. What do you do? I work in a shop. I will use these phrases in real life. I will keep my study fun. I will sing a song in English. I will watch a cartoon. I will read a comic. Learning can be fun and simple. Fun helps memory. I will set a 1-year goal. In 1 year, I want to speak with more confidence. I want to understand simple movies without subtitles. I want to read a short book in English. I will write simple messages without many mistakes. I will check this goal in 1 year and I will see what I can do. I will be proud of small change. I will look back after 1 month. I will look back after 3 months and after 1 year. I will see my progress. I will not compare my path with others. Everyone learns in different ways. I will find what works for me and keep it. This is my example of English goals. You can change the details for you. You can use the plan and make it your own. You can use small steps and simple goals. You can be kind to yourself. You can enjoy the learning. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.